Have you ever regretted missing out on a cryptocurrency right before it started to pump? Or held on too long, only to see it dump? Say goodbye to bad timing, and hello to smarter trading with Cryptolicious. The Cryptolicious indicator makes it simple. Here's how it works. When it flips gold, it's your signal to buy. So you never miss a pump. When it flips blue, it's time to sell. So you can take profits before a dump. So stop following your emotions when trading crypto. Following the Cryptolicious indicator gives you a systematic trading process to maximize profits. It's easy to get started with the Cryptolicious indicator. Simply follow these 3 steps. First, get a free TradingView account. If you don't have any, visit TradingView.com. Click Get Started and create your free account. Make sure to note down your TradingView username. Creating a TradingView basic account is completely free. Second, become a Cryptolicious member. Head to cryptolicious.ai to learn more about our indicator. Choose your subscription plan. Start with a free trial or get lifetime access with a single payment. Then, enter your payment information. Don't worry. If you cancel before the trial ends, you won't be charged. Welcome! You are now officially a Cryptolicious member. Last, link your TradingView account. Simply enter your TradingView username on our website and claim your indicators. That's it! The Cryptolicious indicator will now appear in your TradingView account. Are you ready to trade? Let's learn how to use the Cryptolicious indicator. Open TradingView and search for any cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a new low-cap gem. Click on Indicators, choose Invite Only, and pick the Cryptolicious indicator. That's it! The Cryptolicious indicator will now appear on all your charts. The color of the indicator now tells you how the coin is trending. Gold means the coin is trending up, and if it's blue, it's trending down. When the indicator flips from blue to gold, it's the best time to buy. A gold buy signal will appear on the chart. And when the indicator flips from gold to blue, it's time to take profits or short the coin. A blue sell signal will make that clear for you. Welcome to Smarter Trading with Cryptolicious. Here are some pro tips to maximize profits with the Cryptolicious indicator. You can increase your win probability by picking the right time frame. We recommend using one-day candles for cryptocurrency trading. Want to trade stocks? It works there too. Use one-week candles for best results. For commodities or fiat currencies, we recommend one-month candles. Want to stay ahead? Set up some alerts to receive buy and sell signals. First, select your coin or stock. Click Alert at the top of the screen. Set the following alert condition and choose the alert frequency. You can receive automated alerts by email or with the TradingView app. It's that simple. With the Cryptolicious indicator, stop losing money and start trading like a pro. So why wait? Get the Cryptolicious indicator now and take your trading to the next level. Visit cryptolicious.ai today